Well, I think it helped us having a little bit of a rest and having that break, and allowed us to reorganize and get ourselves together from the regular season. While they were playing a game, you know, they played a game just a few days ago, and then they got to turn around and come up to Edinboro. I think playing at home helped us, being on our court, and I think that fed into it quite a bit.
We have a lot of great chemistry on this team. We know we can have players play roles that they're not used to. Like Laurel will be playing the 5 all the time, and she's our point guard, so we can mix it up. That's the beauty of our team.
The beauty of our team is that we can play different lineups and do different things, and we have a lot of flexibility, and we have people that are flexible, and we're able to use them in flexible situations. Especially, and it all kind of hinges a lot on Laurel Lindsay, because we're able to move Laurel Lindsay. She can play a point guard, she can play a post, play a wing. We can do a lot of things with her, so it allows us to do a lot of different things.
I mean, we get down all the time, and we end up finding our way getting out of it again. So I wasn't really too worried. I knew we'd make a few big shots and make a run back.
Well, I had told our players, I said, we can't play one half, we have to play 2 halves. And we had to play 40 minutes, and they came ready to play tonight.